This tire is like 4.5 years old. This one ran for 35,000 kilometers, and I am going to change it. It's a Bridgestone tire, 225, 55 for rim 18. And why I'm changing, because I think this has lost its temper. You can see it here, or maybe it is better to check here. I'll update when I change it. So I'm going to change the tire. The tire is from the MAXXIS brand M3. The size is 225, which is the width 55 is the height, and the radius is 18. The radius is this one, and 98 V indicates that it can run up to 240 kilometers per hour. So Subaru Forester 2019, I have run it for 35,000 kilometers, and I have changed the tire. The tire was fixed with Bristol, and now I have placed MAXXIS tire. You can see here it is MAXXIS tire M3, and this is a tubeless tire. The size is 225 by 55, radius is 18, 98 V plus, and this is 2023 month May, and the production of this tire was on 23 week of 2022. It's like 1 year ago it was produced, and now it is with me. And MAXXIS tire is a brand which was established in 1967 in Taiwan. So it's not a Japanese brand, Taiwanese brand. Production is done in Taiwan, Thailand, Indonesia, sometimes in India. This one is made in Taiwan. Basically first it was built with bicycle tire, and now this. Okay. Then each tire cost me for 14,400. This is made in Taiwan. 14,400 taka from Silet. It may cost less from Dhaka. Okay, what I have done with my previous tire, I carried those. I'm going to sell all these tire. Someone is going to buy this who need used tire. They will buy it. I don't know for what they will use, but there are people to buy it. Okay, that's it. The tire also indicates how much pressure you can give, and it says 45 psi at a maximum. It is somewhere here written. Okay, it is somewhere written here. Okay, maximum load is, maximum press 44 psi. It can be given 44 psi maximum, and maximum load for each tire 750. It is written here. Okay, and the tire pressure, you can find the tire pressure for your vehicle. Here it is written. For my vehicle I have 18-inch rim, so 225, 55 bar 18, and the amount is written in bar unit, 230 bar. In Bangladesh it is 34 psi. This is for front tire, and rear tire 220 bar, which means 220 bar, which means 32 psi. Front tire 34 psi for 230 bar, rear tire 220 bar, that means 32 psi.